Best Tech Gadgets of 2025? Look no further. This video unveils the top 5 must-have tech gadgets that are revolutionizing how we live, work, and play. Grab these amazing gadgets early. Check out the links in the description below. The sheer innovation and performance of these devices will blow you away. Number 1. Apple Watch Ultra 2 takes rugged smartwatches to the next level. It's not just a watch, it's a powerful computer on your wrist. Number 2. Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones deliver an unparalleled audio experience, immersing you in crystal clear sound. Finding the perfect headphones? These might be your match. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts a stunning camera and lightning-fast performance, pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology. The ultimate smartphone experience? Discover it here. Number 4. Apple iPad Pro 12.9, 2024, offers unmatched power and versatility for creatives and professionals. Need a powerful tablet? Look no further. Number 5. Google Pixel 8 Pro brings cutting-edge AI and incredible camera capabilities, redefining what a smartphone can do. Are you ready to upgrade your tech game? This video covers it all. Don't miss out.